Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create clinic hospital appointment booking bot. So I run a hospital and want patients to book appointment and check availability automatically via WhatsApp. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to respond to my patients' queries 24/7. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation or this chatbot, then let me take it towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a clinic or hospital appointment booking bot. So right before you on my screen you can see I have created the flow for creating the chatbot, and this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload. So now I am going to show you how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot so that you don't have to interact with your customers manually, as this chatbot is going to interact with them 24/7. So now I am going to show you how you can build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business. But before that I am going to show you the real working of this automation or this chatbot. So for testing this chatbot, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter a message that is book appointment, and this message is going to act as a trigger for initiating my chatbot, as I have added this word as a keyword in my flow. So now you might be thinking, what is this keyword? So I am going to answer this while creating our flow for our chatbot. As I have entered this message that is book appointment, I am getting this welcome message which says, hello, welcome to Healthy Care Clinic. Which doctor or department would you like to book an appointment with? And here you can see I am getting this list. So now let's open this list and select the department. So here you can see I am getting some of the departments. So now I am going to select this first option, that is general physician, and as I have selected this option from my list, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now let's enter our full name as testing user. So here you can see I have entered my name as well, and as I have provided my name, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my age. So now let's enter our age as well. Now let's say I am going to enter my age as 20, and here you can see I have entered my age as well, and as I have provided my age, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my reason for visit. So now let's enter our reason for visit, that is fevers. So here you can see I have provided my reason for visit as well, and as I have provided it, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my preferred date. So now let's enter our date over here. So here you can see I am providing my date as well, and as I have entered my date, it is asking me to enter my preferred time. So now let's enter our preferred time over here. So here I am going to enter my time as well, and as I have provided my time, I am getting this appointment confirmation message which consists of my name that I have recently provided, my age, department which I have recently selected, and the reason for visit, preferred date and preferred time as well. So here you can see I am getting personalized message by using this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot like this for your own hospital or clinic. So now I am going to show you how you can build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is going to send personalized message to your patients and help them to book appointment virtually. So for creating this WhatsApp chatbot, you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. Now before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a chatbot, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create a chatbot, for that we simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the flows, you will be landed to this flow builder page where you can see these are the flows created by me. And if you want to create your own flow, you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page, which can be seen here. And here we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name Clinic or Hospital Appointment Booking Bot. Now moving on forward, we are getting the option for trigger. So now you might be wondering what is this trigger. So trigger is the action which is going to initiate your chat bot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and reject. So keywords are the words which is going to initiate your chat bot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chat bot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word book appointment. So for that I am going to make this word as my keyword. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready, and this is the keyword which I have entered while testing our WhatsApp chat bot. And you can add many more keywords like this such as doctor. So now for that you simply have to type that word and press the enter key, and here our another keyword is also ready. And now moving on forward, we are getting the option for rejects. So rejects is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter rejects like this. But here as I have provided my keyword, I will be removing this rejects from here. And as we are done with our trigger, I am going to send a welcome message with the list of the departments of my hospital. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text button, media list, single product message, multi-product message, single AI message, and template. So here as I am going to send a list message, I will be selecting this list given here, and you will be getting this list message note. And now on this list message you can see it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list here. So here you can see I have entered this message, and I have entered this message that is hello, welcome to Healthy Care Clinic between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to provide the section title. So now I am going to provide my section title as department. So I am going to type it, and here our section title is ready. Now I am going to add some items to this section. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item, and if you want you can enter the description as well. So here I am going to enter the title of the first item here. So here you can see I have provided the title of my first item, that is general physician. Now I am going to add some more items likewise. So for that you simply have to again click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your another item. So now let's enter the title and create many items to our list here. So here you can see I have added two more items to my list, that is dentist and dermatologist. So with this we are done with our list of 3 items. Now I want to save the response or the department selected by my patient. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items, so that as soon as my patient select any of these list items I can get the response, and the response can be saved. So for providing the contact custom field you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So just have to select it, and here you can see we are getting this action node. So now I am going to connect this first list item, that is general physician, with this action node, and here you can see it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created, and if you want to create your own contact custom field you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So you just have to select it, but before that you have to save this flow so that you don't lose your data by clicking on the save button. And as you will select the contact custom field given on the settings, you will be landed to this contact custom fields page which I have already opened, and on this page you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own contact custom custom field, you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button and your contact custom field will be created. And as I have already created my contact custom field, I will be selecting it over the Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as department, which can be seen here, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I am going to create this contact custom field for this first list item, that is general physician. So I am going to enter my value as general physician over here. So here we are done with the contact custom field for the first list item. Now I am going to do the same for all these remaining list items, that is dentist and dermatologist, by selecting the same contact custom field, that is department. So here you can see I have created the contact custom field for all these list items, and now as soon as my user will select any of these list items, I will be getting the response. So here we are done with this. Now as soon as my user selects any of these list items, I am going to ask them some questions for making the appointment. So for that you simply have to go to actions again, and here you can see we are getting this option for ask questions. So you just have to select it or drag it, and you will be getting this question action node where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your patient. So now I am going to connect all these contact custom field nodes with this question so that my user can be redirected to this question node as soon as they select any of these list items. So now on this question node, I am going to enter the question which I am going to ask from my customers regarding their full name. So here you can see I have entered this question. Now afterwards it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I am going to select my contact custom field, that is full name, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any, and here we are done with our first question. Now likewise I am going to add some more question to my flow. So for that again you have to go to actions and select ask question. So here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the age, where I have selected the contact custom field as age, and the next question I have entered is for reason for visit, where I have selected my contact custom field as reason for visit, and the next I have entered a question asking for the preferred date, where I have selected my contact custom field as date, and afterwards I am going to select my format as date as well. And as I have selected my format as date, it is asking me to enter the number of attempts. So this indicates the number of attempts allowed for the user to enter a valid response. So now let's say I'm going to enter my number of attempts as 2, and afterwards we are getting the option for entering the message or the validation error message. So this is the message which will be sent to users if they enters a invalid input. So now I am going to enter a validation message over here. Now let's say I'm going to enter this validation error message for my users, and afterwards I have entered a question asking for the preferred time. So with this I am done with my all questions. Now as soon as my user selects any of these departments, they will be getting all these questions. And now as soon as my user answers all these questions, I am going to provide appointment confirmation message with the details which they have recently provided to me. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting this option for text button. So by selecting text button you will be getting this message node where you can enter the message which you want to send to your patients, clients or customers. So now I am going to enter a message over here. So here you can see I have entered this appointment confirmation message where I am providing the booking details, and here you can see I have entered this $full name. So this $full name specifies the contact custom field which we have recently selected in our first question, where I am asking for the full name. And now as soon as my user will provide me the full name, this response will be replaced in this message, and we will be able to send personalized message to our customers or the patients. And same for this another field, that is age, department, reason for visit, date and time. So by the help of the contact custom fields you can send personalized message as well. So with this we are done with our flow. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customers and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take it towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to the inbox page which can be seen here. And on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving this message from my customers, and here our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through our flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message with the list, and if the user selects any of these list items, we are going to provide them a question asking for the full name. So in this video, you have seen that I have built in this amazing WhatsApp chatbot without even a single word coding. So you can also build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, and you can even share the flows created by you. So for sharing the flow with your friends, you just have to go to the flow builder page again, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So you just have to select this 3 dots, and here you can see we are getting this option for share flow. So you just have to select it and you will be getting this flow link. So you just have to share this flow link with your friends so that they can also know about this amazing WhatsApp automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, and they can also automate their all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing WhatsApp chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you want to practice this flow, you can find its link in the description given below. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.